Welcome. Today we explore the human brain, the extraordinary organ that controls your thoughts, movement, and emotions. The brain sits safely inside your skull, protected by bone and membranes. Despite its small size, just 3.1 pounds, your brain controls everything you do. Neurons are the cells that transmit information, acting as the brain's communication network. The brain has specialized regions: cerebrum for thinking, cerebellum for balance, brainstem for vital functions. The cerebrum is where we think, solve problems, and store memories. The cerebellum helps maintain balance and coordinates movement. Brainstem controls vital functions like heartbeat, breathing, and reflexes. The hippocampus plays a key role in forming and organizing memories. Synapses are the tiny gaps where neurons send messages to each other. The frontal lobe manages planning, decision-making, impulse control, and personality. The parietal lobe processes touch, temperature, pain, and spatial awareness. The temporal lobe interprets sound and supports language comprehension and memory. The occipital lobe transforms light signals into the images we see. The corpus callosum allows the left and right hemispheres to communicate. The motor cortex sends signals that initiate voluntary movement. This region receives information about touch, pressure, pain, and temperature from the body. The thalamus acts as a relay station, directing sensory signals to the correct cortical regions. The hypothalamus regulates body temperature, hunger, thirst, and hormonal balance. The amygdala helps process emotions, especially fear and emotional memory. During sleep and rest, the hippocampus helps convert short-term memories into long-term storage across the cortex. The brain produces rhythmic electrical patterns called brain waves, reflecting different states like focus, relaxation, and sleep. The brainstem and thalamus coordinate sleep cycles, shifting between deep restorative sleep and vivid dreaming phases. When you feel pain, signals travel through the spinal cord to the thalamus, then to the sensory cortex for interpretation. Visual information from the eyes travels through the optic nerves to the occipital lobe, where images are processed and interpreted. The brain is shielded by the skull and 3 protective membranes, called the meninges, cushioning it from injury. Cerebrospinal fluid flows through internal chambers, cushioning the brain and delivering essential nutrients. The brain can reorganize itself by forming new connections, a powerful ability known as neuroplasticity. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, sleep, and learning help maintain strong brain function throughout life. Your brain is a masterpiece of biology, guiding your thoughts, movements, emotions, and dreams every single day.